Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna teach you another reaction. The reaction is Somali girls versus Turkish girls. They are really amazing and beautiful girls. They have really amazing beauty. So let's react to Turkish and Somali girls. If you really like this video, so make sure you subscribe my channel, like my share. If you're watching our reaction video, my name is Nav. This is really amazing video. So must share and must subscribe. So let's check out. Wow. Somali girls versus Turkish girls, right? Wow. Somali. Wow, this is beautiful. Oh, Turkish. Nice. Nice. I like it. Wow, what an amazing beautiful smile. I like it. Oh, this is amazing beauty. Wow, this is nice. Ferocious. Oh, Somali. Right. Wow guys, it's really amazing. This is Somali girls versus Turkish girl. They are really cute. Wow, this is nice video. They are both beautiful, you know, they have their own beauty. Amazing country and amazing beautiful girls. If you like, so must share this video. I'm your friend from India, so love you all. Take care, bye bye.